In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with GitLab. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can smoothly connect your project management in ClickUp with your repositories and development work in GitLab. This integration helps you keep tasks and code changes closely aligned, which is especially useful for development teams. Start by logging into your ClickUp workspace. Use your usual method, whether that's email and password or single sign-on, and wait for your main dashboard to load. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want this integration to be available, since integrations are often tied to a specific workspace or account. Once you're in ClickUp, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation column with options like Home, Tasks, and other features. Near the bottom of this column, you should see an option labeled More. Click on More. This is where ClickUp keeps additional tools and settings that aren't shown in the primary navigation by default. When the expanded menu opens, look for the option called Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This section is basically ClickUp's integrations hub, where you can connect external services such as GitLab, GitHub, and many others to your workspace. Inside the Apps area, you'll see a list of available integrations. Scroll until you find GitLab. Once you see the GitLab option, click on it to open the integration details. Here, ClickUp usually shows you a short description of what the integration does and what kind of permissions it will need. On the GitLab integration screen, look for the Connect button and click it. This will begin the process of linking your ClickUp account to your GitLab account. After clicking Connect, ClickUp will guide you through a brief setup wizard. When you see the Next button, click on Next to move forward. At this point, a pop-up window will appear, taking you to GitLab's website. If you see a cookies banner, click on Accept All Cookies so the login and authorization screens can function properly without being blocked. Now, you'll be on the GitLab sign-in page. Click into the username or primary email field and enter your GitLab login details. If you prefer, you can also use one of the single sign-on options. In the Sign In With section, you can choose to sign in with Google, GitHub, Bitbucket, or Salesforce, as long as your GitLab account is connected to one of those services. After you've signed in and authorized the connection, your ClickUp workspace will be successfully integrated with GitLab, ready for you and your team to use.